InVideo AI coupon code 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get InVideo AI coupon code. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for InVideo AI coupon code on Google and press on enter. And after that, you can see there are multiple web links here. You just have to simply click on them. So I have just opened multiple of them. So as you can see, this is the grabon.in website, and it has flat 20% off, free offer, best deal, monthly plan, best price, best deal, best seller for InVideo. So we can also see on desidime.com InVideo promo code that's 25% off, 70% off, flat 50% off. You just click on get coupon and then copy the code from here and paste it on the purchase menu of InVideo, where you are purchasing the monthly or yearly subscription, and you can get the coupons. You just have to check for multiple coupons, which one is working with you. So after that, there are multiple other websites like Simply Codes and then Toolbricks and then couponfollow.com, and you can just simply click on show coupon and copy and paste it on your purchasing link. So that's how you can check which one will work with you. So let me know in the comment section which one is working with you. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.